Hi! In front of me is OnePlus Nord CE 3 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can manage autocorrection. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down to access additional settings. Then click on Keyboard and Input Method, Manage Keyboards, and Gboard. Following that, just tap on Text Correction, scroll down and click on this switcher next to Autocorrection. This way you will switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!